Just a quick little video on the dry lube. Working on the wife's vacuum cleaner, and it's squeaking and rattling and doing all kinds of things. So gonna use it because it's not gonna transfer grease, it's not gonna pick up dust, and it's the perfect application for wheels and different things like that. One of the other applications is for locks. It is absolutely perfect for locks. You can see that. You can see how easy that thing turns. I mean, it's crazy. Anytime you have any squeaking on any of the hinges, it's actually awesome for that. You can kind of see where I had some old stuff in there before, and it kind of sprayed it out, and I've got to clean that up. But it's actually perfect for that because it won't leave any of that black residue that you see right there. So just another application for the dry lube. Squeaky doors, also chains for motorcycles. Anything with a chain, perfect for that. So it doesn't pick up dust. It'll protect against corrosion. Has all the other additives that our other type products do. So if you're at AutoZone, go by, pick it up. It's also, so as far as the other additives it also has the heat transfer as well as the lubrication. So anyway, just another great application for it. I was just sitting here thinking about it. Thanks.